Good day, everyone. I am Danica Angel Makahaya from C38B2. Today, I will discuss what I have learned in this subject. Is what I learned will be beneficial to my career? What are my suggestions to my instruction, Sir William Turner? What I learned. From this topic, I learned about project cycle based on PMI standards. It explains how project moves through four major phases: starting a project, organizing and preparing, carrying out the work, and closing the project. I also learned how cost and staffing levels gradually increase as the project progresses and peak during the execution stage. Furthermore, the risk and uncertainty are highest at the beginning because decisions are not yet final, while the cost of making changes become more expensive later in the project. Overall, this helped me understand how planning, scheduling, and resource allocation work throughout a project. Benefits to my career. These lessons are very useful for my future career. Understanding the project life cycle helps me know how projects should start and how they should be managed all the way to completion. It also improves my ability to manage time, costs, and resources, which are essential skills in construction and engineering. Knowing how risks change over time prepares me to spot problems early and avoid costly mistakes. These skills will help me communicate better in real project environments and make me more confident when working on actual projects. Lastly, suggestion. For my suggestion, I would appreciate seeing more real life examples, especially from local construction projects, so we can relate the lesson to actual situation. Um, Also, inactive activities like group planning, exercises, or short case studies would also help us apply what we learned. Overall, the lessons are helpful, and adding these improvements can make the subject even easier to follow and more engaging. Thank you for listening.